All right, guys, I'm so excited to launch this new book, Builder versus Builder. Reason why we created this book is because, closing over 100-something transactions on brand new homes here in Las Vegas, buyers and also agents will ask me which is the better home builder. Well, it comes down to materials and products, and that's the reason why we've created this book. But within this book, there's a total of 32 questions that you need to ask the builder. This is how you're going to compare one builder to another because it comes down to material and products. Now, this book right here is a comprehensive guide on evaluating materials from one builder to another. We break it down all in this book. And don't worry about it, because if you don't understand the materials and the lifespan, it's all in here. Again, there's a total of 32 questions that you need to ask. Now, if you want to get this, it's free. And this is only exclusive for all my followers on YouTube, okay? All you have to do is just text builder to this number right here. Again, it's free. Go ahead and text builder to this number and we'll give it to you. All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. However, today we are not doing a home tour. I just wanted to show you this brand new neighborhood up here in Summerlin. It's called Brantley. The builder is actually Pulte Homes. Now, if you guys don't know who Pulte Homes is, they're actually a pretty good builder as far as like products and materials. It is kind of expensive though. The builder has been around for about 70 years now. And they got this brand new neighborhood. It's called Brantley. We are on the west side of the Las Vegas Valley. Master plan community called Summerlin. As you can see, we have the beautiful Las Vegas Strip. Lovely day today. Look at the mountain views. Gorgeous, right? Unbelievable. It's about 101 degrees right now. 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So this community here is going to be a gated community. And this is the newest part of Summerlin, which is Red Point. And they also have a Grandview Park just right down this way here. So there's going to be a bunch of like parks, walking trails, which is pretty cool. So this looks like it's going to be the sales office here. Now this neighborhood will feature single stories and 2-story homes. They have a total of 168 lots. As you can see, you got that modern feel here on this one. You got the traditional. Now some of these lots here look a lot bigger than 4,500 square feet. So I believe these lots, and I'm speculating, will be anywhere from 5,000 square feet. Some may go all the way up to 12,000 square feet. Some of these do look like they have a lot view as well. You have about 4 cul-de-sacs. So the front entry is this way, which is will be a gated community, and just kind of loops all the way around here. And in between you have cul-de-sacs. As you can see, we have the nice retaining walls there. Now, the pricing has not been disclosed yet. There will be a total of 6 different floor plans that you can pick and choose from. And you'll have 6 of them that are modeled, which is, I think, is pretty cool, because a lot of builders will not model all their floor plans at a track, which is kind of weird to me. And the reason why they do this is because of cost. So normally builders, if they have 6 floor plans, they may build 3 at this community and 3 at a different community. So now you would have to drive to that community. Now, Pulte Homes is also now owned with American West and I believe Shaw Homes, which is a Japanese company that owns these two companies and other companies out here in Vegas. So they are like the biggest developers in the world, basically. So as you can see, these are all framed up. Now they're putting the styrofoam, the chicken wire. Looks like they're gonna get ready to spray. Now with the 6 models, the square footage, you'll have anywhere from 2,192 square feet all the way up to 4,731 square feet. So it's the one right here, 3-car garage. Now, I believe these are the same models and the same floor plans as Carmel Cliffs, which we've done videos on those in the past. They're completely sold out. Now, I did check online, and some of the information I'm providing you today may not be as accurate. I had to pull some strings, talk to a couple of the sales guys because they don't have pricing yet or anything like that. But I was able to get a little bit information, as much as I can, for you guys. Now, I believe the pricing on the smaller model is probably going to start roughly about $800,000, somewhere in the 800s, where I believe you're going to be paying about $400 a square foot here. Now, on the bigger models, I believe by the time you're done with these builds, you're going to be way above $1 million, probably about $1.6 million. Now, that doesn't even include the lot premiums, which I think some of these lot premiums could be anywhere from $35,000, and I've seen all the way up to $350,000 for these. Also, right now they do have 18 home sites available, which I believe they've already started construction. The reason why they do this is because they want to hurry up and build some of these homes, so that way some of you guys out there that want to buy a home, you guys just don't want to wait, and that's totally understandable, right? And also that makes sense. The only downfall is you're not going to be able to pick the upgrades and options, but here you will, and I definitely do like that as far as picking the options and upgrades, because a lot of these builders now, they're doing a lot of spec builds, which I really don't like. Because if you're going to, build a custom home, why are you letting them spec it for you? I prefer to just do it myself. Also, when I was talking to one of the sales agents, she was saying that the incentives right now, if you do use their lender, it's about 3% of the base price. Let's go take a look here. See the quality of build. Got my slippers on right now. So it looks like there's certain areas of the house they are sharing, which is nice. So what sharing is are these plywoods here to reinforce the structural. And as you can see, these guys are rocking 2x6, which is a plus. And you got the pressure treated wood. So this is going to be your covered patio area. Love how the high ceilings are. They got the 4-can lighting on here. Getting pre-wired for the gas. So this will be your kitchen area here. Island here. Look how high the ceilings are. So on this one, as you can see for insulation, they are actually cocooning the ceiling. So basically they'll have a mesh and they'll have that blown in insulation. So that's definitely a plus. So it looks like right here is going to be your refrigerator. You're going to have your pantry area. Your sink will go here, and then your stove will go here. They're using 5/8 on the ceilings on the drywall, which is a good thing. This looks like the primary here. You got the 4-can lighting. Looks like on this side here is where your headboard will go. Got your water closet. Then we have our double sinks here. Then our walk-in shower. This will have a rainfall, which is nice. And then we have our knobs here. Cool. This will be a walk-in closet. Looks like the wires here for the 110. These are all, I think, 16 gauge, which is great. It's actually nice and cool in here. It's not that bad. This looks like it could be an office. Here's our half bath right here. This is just currently framed out. So this is a 2-car garage, but it's framed out as an office. Here we have another bathroom. Actually, laundry room, I'm sorry. Laundry room, you got the utility sink. Bedrooms 1, 2. They're using mill guards for the windows, which is a great brand. Typically, a lot of builders will use Alpine. I personally don't care too much for Alpine. The HOAs, I believe on this one, Summerlin for the master should be 48, but then we got this community here, so it's probably going to be over $100. But I tried to call and ask a couple of my friends that work for this company, and they just didn't really have too much information on this track because corporate hasn't released it yet. But the reason why I wanted to shoot this video today for you is because I've always talked about this. If you guys want to get like early on in the, on the list and buy a home out here or any track, right? We always talk about you always want to be the first ones to get into the track. And the way that I would spec it is really just focus on structural and low voltage. I really wouldn't spend the money on the cladding of the flooring, the countertops, the kitchen and stuff like that. Wait till this is completely developed, and also wait till the models have been sold, because the models will be sold at the end for premium top dollar, right? Then from there, after you lived in the property for 2 years, if you want to go ahead and sell it, you're going to be in an equity position, and then it would be cheaper for you to go ahead and have a contractor come in and just add all that cladding. But man, look how gorgeous these mountain views are. Unbelievable. Alright guys, that is pretty much it. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And also, if you are planning on purchasing a brand new home, let me help you spec out the home correctly, right? Let's maximize the money so that way we can create that add value. Alright, other than that, I wish you guys nothing but the best and be blessed.